Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a screen GUI just like this, which displays a timer which resets every time in Roblox Studio. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is make sure we go click View and have our Explorer and Properties tab open. Once you've done that, go to the Explorer and then go to StarterGui and click the plus button right beside it. Once we do that, insert a screen GUI, and then on the screen GUI, insert a frame, and then underneath the frame, click the plus button one more time, insert a text label. Once we've done that, we can make it look nice by just dragging and dropping the frame and label onto each other. And then if you want nice big scaled text, select your text label in Explorer, then go to the Properties tab, and then search text scaled, and then click the check button, and then you'll have big text scaled up just like this. Alright, so once we have that, we're going to move it up to the top of the screen, or wherever you like, and then we're going to go back to the Explorer, and then we're going to select the text label, click the plus, and then we're going to add a local script. Once we are inside our script, we're going to delete the text print hello world, and then we're going to start coding. So we're going to make 4 variables. Our first variable is going to be local roundDuration equals 100. This is how long you want your round to be. You can change this if you like. Next, we're going to do local roundTimerGui equals game GetService StarterGui. Next, we are going to do local GUI equals script.Parent in local roundActive equals false. Underneath this, we are going to do while true do, and then we're going to make a function inside this while loop. So local function roundStart. Underneath inside this function, we're going to do for time equals roundDuration, comma 0, comma -1, and then do. Inside this for loop, we are going to do roundActive equals true. Then we're going to do gui.Text equals in brackets, in quotes, time colon space, and then after the quotes, we're going to do ... time. And then under this, we're going to wait 1 second. Once we've done that, we're going to make an if statement inside by doing if time equals 0. Then inside this if statement, we are going to do print round over. Underneath print, we are going to do gui.text equals round over. Underneath that, we're going to do roundActive equals false, and then roundDuration equals 100. This 100 is going to be whatever you set your roundDuration to be before. Underneath this while loop, we are going to make an if statement. We are going to do if roundActive equals false, then roundStart. And then underneath this, we are going to do print starting round. Make sure you have that in quotes. And just like that, here's our script. If you were confused at all, that's alright, because I put this entire script inside the description. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you found any of the content in this video useful, please leave a like or subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel to teach more people how to script on Roblox Studio, and it would mean a lot to me. If you have any questions or want to see a different video idea, drop a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.